Ever stumbled across a gorgeous WordPress website and wondered, what theme is this? Today, I'll show you exactly how to find out which WordPress theme any site is using. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to uncover the secrets behind beautiful site designs in just a few clicks, opening up a world of inspiration for your own website. Let's get started right away. The easiest and most reliable way to discover a website, WordPress theme, is by using an online theme detector tool. There are a few great options, for example, what WordPress theme is that, or WP Theme Detector. These are both free, easy to use, and you don't need to install anything. Essentially, these sites do the heavy lifting for you by scanning all the code in the background, saving you the hassle of digging through the source code yourself. So once you've picked your theme detector website, open it up in your browser. Both tools work pretty much the same way. Now you'll see a search field right on the homepage. This is where you'll enter the web address of the site you're curious about. Just copy the full URL from your browser address bar. Be sure to include the https:// part if it's there, because this helps the tool analyze the correct version of the site. Paste that into the search box on the detector's page. Take a moment to double-check there are no typos. A tiny mistake here could send you on a wild goose chase, and nobody wants that. Next, it's time for the magic to happen. Click the button to scan or detect the theme. This might say Analyze or Detect depending on the site you're using. When you hit that button, the tool starts processing. It's kind of like sending a digital detective to peek under the hood of the website. This scanning step might take a few seconds. Don't worry if you're waiting a moment or two, as some websites are larger or more complex than others, and the tool needs to carefully pick apart the details. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the results displayed right on the page. Now this is where things get interesting. Most theme detectors will show you the exact theme name up top, along with useful details like its version, the theme author, and a link directly to the theme's homepage or documentation if it's publicly available. Sometimes you'll notice the theme isn't one you recognize. It might be a premium theme, a child theme, or even a custom-built one. If so, the tool may still give you useful clues like the parent theme or framework. Many of these detectors, especially the more robust ones, can also list the major plugins used on the site. Why does this matter? Well, knowing which plugins power those cool features you've spotted can be a game changer for your own project. For instance, if you love a particular contact form or gallery effect you've seen, you might learn exactly how it's being done under the hood. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can turn any WordPress site into a valuable source of ideas and creative know-how. If the tool can't detect the theme, don't be discouraged. Some websites use heavily customized setups, but usually you'll get something helpful back. If you found this walkthrough useful, don't forget to hit that like button to let me know. Have a question or want to ask about a theme you can't find? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, click subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.